In today's video, we are going to be looking at the Werner Aluminum Ladder Stabilizer. This stabilizer attaches to an aluminum ladder in just minutes. It's really easy to put together, and it's a very effective tool. It's ideal for working around gutters and overhangs and getting to windows. A really great tool to make the job a lot easier. It provides better access to your work area with about a 10-inch standoff from the wall. This particular stabilizer spans windows up to 47 inches wide. We purchased it at Lowe's and it cost us about $40. So now let's take a look at how we attached it to our ladder and what a difference it made using this particular product. Alright, so let's get into the assembly. Here we are adding the bumpers to the end of the stabilizer, and you definitely want to add the bumpers because you don't want the aluminum to scratch your surface, whatever it would be, a wall, the outside of your house, what have you. You want it to have those soft bumpers so you'll have no damage or scratches to your surface. So now we're going to go ahead and take some of the hardware and start attaching this hardware to the stabilizer, which will then attach to the ladder. As you will see here, this is really simple to do. We went ahead and took the U-bolt, we put it underneath the ladder, put the stabilizer on top of the ladder, went ahead and put the plate on top of the stabilizer, and then began to put the wing nuts and just started tightening those in place. And we're going to go ahead and do it on both sides of the U-bolt, and we will also eventually do it on the other side as well. Alright, so we want to go ahead and make sure that it's positioned in place correctly. And now we are on the other side of the ladder, the other leg, basically. And again, putting the U-bolt underneath the ladder. Again, same thing that we did on the other side, putting the plate on top of the stabilizer and attaching those wing nuts. And just making sure that everything is on secure, it's nice and tight, and nothing is going to come loose. So our project was repairing holes that these pesky woodpeckers had made on our house. These woodpeckers absolutely love going to town on our house, making holes everywhere. And these holes were right near the windows. There was probably about 4 or 5 different areas that needed to be repaired. So we absolutely needed to get really high up with the ladder, and we really needed that stabilizer. There was no way we were going to be able to lean the ladder up against the window pane, and if we didn't have the stabilizer, we were not going to be able to reach the area. So this tool came in absolutely fantastic for this project. This was a lifesaver. You can see my husband positioning it in place here. There's no way we would have been able to do this without the stabilizer. So this was really great. And here we are positioning the ladder in place, making sure that it is secure. It's not going to go nowhere. No one's going to fall. Everything is going to be nice and safe. This Werner aluminum ladder stabilizer worked like a charm. We were able to get up really high, take care of our project, do everything that we needed to do, feel secure, and not worry about falling through a window, leaning up against the wall, making scratches, making any kind of damage. This was a really great piece of equipment, and I think it was definitely worth the money. So there you have it, guys. That was my honest review on the Werner Aluminum Ladder Stabilizer. I hope you liked this video. I hope you got a lot of knowledge out of it, and I hope it was very helpful. If you like what you see here, please be sure to like, subscribe, and maybe even comment. Thanks for watching, and see you at the next video. Bye-bye.